How to deactivate Instagram account from app. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account right using the application, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to deactivate your Instagram account from the app, you want to simply open up the Instagram app, and this is the kind of interface you will see. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right in order to come to your profile page. Then all you have to do is to simply tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side, then go to Account Center. From Account Center, you want to simply go to Personal Details, then head over to Account Ownership and Control. Deactivation and Deletion, select your Instagram account here. Then deactivate account will already get selected by default. Unless you're choosing to delete it, you have to select the delete option. But in this case, it's a temporary deactivation, so we will just select deactivate here. Then tap on the continue option here. Then once you've done that, you just have to enter your password, tap on continue, and your Instagram account will get deactivated from the app. This way you'll be able to deactivate Instagram from the app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.